Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about how to use Textbot keywords to promote your business. It's so simple and easy. I want you to be able to learn how to promote any business with Textbot and the keywords that are available to you. You have unlimited keywords that you can use with Textbot, so there's no reason or excuse why you can't grow and expand your business and Textbot and also generate keywords. So right here I wanted to show you that I am using Textbot, and as you can see it says text 386-518-0202 traffic. So traffic is my keyword that I use with Textbot, and my Textbot phone number is 386-518-0202. So let's get started and let's learn a little bit more about Textbot and using the keywords for your business. So I'm just jumping over to my Facebook page, and I just wanted to show you how you can make little videos. You can make posts, anything you want on social media. So you can be doing that with Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever you want. So let's just replay this one, and all I have is my Textbot phone number and my keyword. So my Textbot phone number is 386-518-0202, and my Textbot keyword is 3 clicks. That is my other business that allows me to use an all-in-one marketing platform and to be able to share that business. Now you can make that super simple and easy with any program. Let's see, I use them all the time. Lately I've just been doing some other things, but here I posted 386-518-0202, 3 clicks, and that's all my Textbot with the keywords. Super simple and easy, and allows you to grow and expand your business with these simple keywords. So here I want to go ahead and jump in the back office of Textbot and show you where those keywords are and how to use them. All right, once you're logged into your back office of Textbot, you'll be able to come to the main page. Here is your website. Here is the phone number. So right here you can see the phone number. And on the far left-hand side under AVA Basic, you can click on that, go down to Custom Keywords, and you'll see all the custom keywords that you can use. You have unlimited, so test them out, make sure that they work, but the reason why they wouldn't work is something like scam or money or anything like that doesn't seem to work well. So make sure you test them before you share them. Here you can click on the edit. You can go ahead and see how you can go ahead and create these. So the $1.2 million mistake, do you want me to tell you why? Well, it's time to get out of the falling dollar. Learn more here, and then I put my website. Contact me direct if you have questions, 970-458-5849. We have a training 4 days a week and want to show you how the team is growing so fast. Ready to be in the business that will help you grow your income and others. Don't wait. I will pay 50% of your sign-up fee in December, but hurry. I don't want you to pay full price. Chat soon. All you have to do, so this is coins, so it's my phone number and then coins. I hit save keyword and then I go and share that information. Super simple and easy. Right now, Textbot does give you unlimited keywords, so go ahead and test them out. Use them. It's a great way to generate your leads. When you come into your leads, you're going to know what people are looking for because it's going to have that keyword. So let me show you the contacts. Sorry. Why? Oh, here's my leads. I want to call them contacts, so I was looking for contacts. And when you come into your leads, you'll be able to see what those individuals are looking for. Are they looking for 3 clicks? Are they looking for something else? And actually, you don't want to go to leads. I go into chat, because you want to keep an eye on what they're asking. So if you're using AVA, it may not always tell you that. But right here, this one's asking for traffic. So my traffic is automatically sending out. Hey, it's Leah and welcome and learning more about traffic. So this is my Textbot keyword, traffic. So here, let's see, right here's another one with 3 clicks. That's another one. Right there's another one with classified. So it just really depends what you're trying to do. Another one with coins. You can constantly be using these and growing and expanding your business and allowing you to promote with the easy concept of using a phone number and using Textbot. I hope that helps you out in getting started with Textbot and seeing how the keywords work for you. I was just noticing that the far right hand side of my screen wasn't showing, so I wanted to jump back in here and show you this is the message from my keyword that automatically goes out when they type in that keyword. If it's 3 clicks or coins or traffic, anything like that, and this allows that message to automatically go out. So you can see those, and on the far left hand side you'll see those different codes and allow you to work with the individuals that are looking for more information on your business. Right here you can go ahead and respond back to them and see if they need to learn more or see a video or contact you direct. So simple and easy. If you have any questions, please do comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you do subscribe, and bye for now.